Still to come, the kids at Many Rivers Montessori found opportunity in the pandemic, and they're getting incredible STEM experience. Middle schoolers in Duluth are miles ahead of many adults when it comes to design and engineering. They're using things like a 3D printer and an X-Carve machine. All the COVID restrictions gave them the opportunity to try these new things. Renee Pasal shows us more.
Is it good? Just double check.
It was time to make a sign for the Many Rivers Montessori Middle School. This X-Carve machine is just one of 3 high-tech pieces of equipment the school bought using a Toshiba Foundation grant. They went looking for the funding as they reshaped what their microeconomy class could look like during the pandemic.
I just think it's really cool to get the experience of using machines. I think that could come in handy later, and it's just really cool to design everything.
I like the laser. I think it's really interesting how it can cut out different earring shapes and everything. And the 3D printer is also really fun.
It keeps the STEM room really hopping.
They're each in an engineering group, and they all had a leader who identified a problem. And the goal is to solve that problem without creating other problems, which is really the goal of engineering and designing, right?
Their teacher, Jessica Moen Johnson, said they are working on things for their school, like more storage and outside desks. And they also plan on helping their community, partnering with St. Scholastica and their pediatric physical therapy department.
Maybe something like a standing desk that would be beneficial to one of their patients.
And in another corner, Hannah Williamson is growing things.
It's a lot of work.
A grant from the Northland Foundation is helping her along.
I was able to purchase a lot of supplies for seeds and soil and the lights and stuff.
It's all about learning with the freedom to achieve while becoming leaders.
I just think it's really cool that our school does this because I know not many schools do, and it's a really unique opportunity.
In Duluth, I'm Renee Pasal for WDIO News.